Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you unboxing of EcoFlow Delta Max 2000. I've decided to go for off grid, and well, basically my brother had one, and so I thought I'll give it a go. So this came in today. I'm still waiting for the solar panels to come in. Let's go on with it. Unboxing this. Yeah, let's go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on here, the top bit, so I can place the EcoFlow on top of that. This is a glass table, obviously we don't want to break that. And this is how it actually comes. No packaging, nothing, it just comes like this. And it comes with the box. That's probably got all the cables in that. And there's nothing else in the box. That's it, that's all that came. I'll be giving you the description of the product, and also the links to what I brought and from what place I brought it from. Sorry, I don't really do these videos, so you're going to have to bear with me. Yeah, let's go on with this. Okay. There we go. Some cables in here. That's going to be for the solar panel. And the reason why I know that, because I bought extra more cables. I'll show you that in a minute. And that's the car charger. You can charge this via the car too. You can charge this via the car, the AC, and the solar panel. Via the solar panels. And this is, I don't know what this is for, I can't remember now. I'll have to look into that. And this is for the machine. You can charge it via the wall. But I'm going to be using solar panels, so I won't be using this. It's a book, EcoFlow book. 24-month warranty card. And that just tells you what to do. Nothing else in the box. And the extension cables I brought this from Amazon. These are 6 meters. Yeah, I'll give a description for this and the links for this below. This is a Y cable, 4-in-1 Y cable, they're called. I'll open it up later. These are for the solar panels. I brought 2 sets. Each set comes with 2 panels. And these are, yeah, so basically that's your red, positive, and these are the negatives, the 4. And at the end of each, let's look at more the Atlas. You can plug in your devices, and that's for the wall socket. I have no idea what that is. Fast and slow. I remember reading something about that. If you're going to do it via the wall socket, someone said that put it on slow, it'll preserve the life of the battery apparently. But I won't be using the wall socket anyway, so I'm going to be using the solar panels. And these are some more sockets in here. This I believe is this is for the car charger. And the power button there, what that does, it activates this. Or you can power this one too. That will activate all these 4 sockets here. And if we turn around, just go that way. There you go. Turned it around. There you go. Fast charge your USB. That's probably what, 3.0 or I don't know, 2.0 or 3.0. Then you got USB-A. So that's fast charge, and that's your normal USB. I'm presuming that's 3.0. I don't know. And this is USB-C, 100 watt. USB-C 100 watt. So there's two USB-C 100 watts. And to activate this, you just power that on there. And this powers the main machine. Let's power that on. Let's see what happens. There you go. There you go. It comes with 30% charge already, but I'm not gonna drain that. I'm gonna get it charged by the solar panels. Apparently, the solar panels are coming tomorrow. Hopefully, that's what the delivery date says. So yeah, that's it. So this was just the unboxing of the video. I'm sorry I don't know that much about this at the moment. I'm studying it. My brother's telling me more and more about it as he has it in his house, and he's off the grid. And this top bit here is the input, how much the input of the charge, and the bottom here is output, how much you're using of the battery. But there'll be a few videos I'll be making of this anyway, so just bear with me. And just turn it off. I think you gotta press it. No, that goes on standby, I think. Yeah, that goes on standby. So I think to turn it off completely. Off. There you go. That turns it off completely. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I forgot to add this here. You can add another EcoFlow. Either they sell them as they sell EcoFlow batteries, or you can just buy another unit like this and you just connect them up and it will work as one unit. The reason why I bought this unit was for that reason, because I want to buy another unit of this and hopefully power the whole house up. But from what I've been studying, I think you need 3. If it's a nice, decent 3-bedroom semi-detached house or an extended house, I think 3 is enough. My brother has one, and he's got a big, massive house, extended. He's got it's double extension. He's got and he's got the loft rooms, and he's using one at the moment. But he's saying he needs another one. So going by that, I personally believe to do the whole house, I reckon you need 3 of these. But that's I'll be hopefully for next year. I'm gonna play with this for a year. Let's see what happens. Yeah, just wait for my next video now for the solar panels, and we'll take it from there. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. I just thought I'd show you how heavy this is. To be honest, it's alright. There you go. It's not that heavy. Well, I'm into bodybuilding, so maybe that's probably why. But yeah, you can carry this around, and I think it probably weighs about 15-20 kgs. I don't know. I'll have a look at it later. But if you're not into weightlifting and stuff like that, it might be a bit heavy for you guys. So just make sure you put it on a trolley or something if you're going to move it around and that. Okay.